Jump. Fairy jumpers. Christina, ballet. Laura, are you okay? Da 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 da. What, Christina? You like it? You like being a ballerina? Huh? What's that? That's pretty. And you're wearing something very pretty too.
I like
with
that
the flowers.
I like that one more for.
Do you like it with the flowers, Christina? Flowers. Pink flowers. It's gorgeous.
Roses.
Roses. And Laura's wearing her old Bella dress.
Who cares?
Who cares? Okay. Da na 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 na. Laura, a little more graceful. Da na 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 na. Do you like ballet, Laura? Na 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 na. Oh, she's so hard to train. Laura, do some ballet. Da na 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 na. God forbid you should do anything graceful that her, so her sister will act the same way. Ay, mi Laura, qué difícil. Da na 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 na. What is she doing? What happened? What happened? You have a boo-boo?
Ow.
What happened, Laura?
Head.
You hit it on the wall?
No.
Oh.
I did too many vueltas.
What is she doing? Oh. Up?
Come. Up.
That's a nice sister.
See, look at. Well, I did all I can do.